Welcome, dear viewers, to our exploration of the most bizarre animal mating rituals. The drive to reproduce is one of nature's most powerful forces, leading to an astonishing array of behaviors. Get ready to dive into the fascinating and sometimes strange world of animal courtship, where survival depends on attracting a mate, and where the competition can be fierce, comical, and even deadly. Here we find the Indian peacock, a bird that needs little introduction. His magnificent tail feathers are not merely for show, you see. They are a testament to his health, his vigor, and ultimately, his attractiveness to a mate. The male peacock fans out his iridescent tail feathers into a stunning display known as a train. Each eye spot shimmers and dances as he shakes his plumage, creating a mesmerizing pattern of colors. This spectacle is designed to impress the discerning peon, who will choose her mate based on the size, symmetry, and brilliance of his display. On the Galapagos Islands, a comical dance unfolds. The blue-footed booby, with its characteristically bright blue feet, engages in a courtship ritual as peculiar as its appearance. The male, eager to impress a potential mate, lifts one foot and then the other, high-stepping across the ground. He makes a series of exaggerated movements, bowing low and then throwing his head back, all the while whistling and honking to gain her attention. His blue feet, a sign of his health and genetic fitness, are on full display. The brighter the blue, the more attractive the male. Our next encounter takes us into the darker side of courtship, where the stakes are much higher. The black widow spider, infamous for its venomous bite, engages in a mating ritual fraught with danger. The smaller male spider must approach the female with the utmost caution. He vibrates his abdomen, sending signals through the strands of her web, hoping to convince her he's a suitor and not a meal. If his advances are accepted, he must mate quickly and then make a swift retreat. For if he lingers too long, he risks becoming the victim of his mate's deadly embrace. Chapter 4. Deep within the rainforests of New Guinea, a spectacle of color and sound unfolds. Birds of paradise, known for their extravagant plumage, engage in some of the most elaborate courtship displays in the animal kingdom. Each species boasts its own unique dance, a carefully choreographed routine passed down through generations. Males clear a stage on the forest floor, meticulously removing leaves and debris. Then, with a flourish, they unfurl their feathers, transforming themselves into living works of art. Some species even contort their bodies into bizarre shapes, their feathers becoming shimmering fans and iridescent shields. Chapter 5. Beneath the waves in the coral reefs, another creature puts on a dazzling display. The mantis shrimp, a creature with a punch faster than a bullet, might seem an unlikely romantic. But appearances can be deceiving. These crustaceans use a combination of visual signals and complex displays to attract mates. Their exoskeletons contain specialized cells called chromatophores, which allow them to produce a dazzling array of colors and patterns. Some species even engage in physical displays, waving their claws and performing elaborate dances to impress potential mates. Chapter 6. As darkness descends, a magical transformation takes place in the forests of Southeast Asia. The lanternfly, an insect named for its unusual appearance, lights up the night with its bioluminescent glow. The male lanternfly, eager to attract a mate, produces a series of light flashes from a specialized organ in its abdomen. These flashes, unique to each species, act as a beacon in the darkness, signaling the male's presence to potential mates. Chapter 7. The fireflies' flashing patterns. In meadows and forests around the world, tiny lights twinkle in the night, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. These lights are not just random, they are part of a fascinating natural phenomenon. These are fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, engaging in their silent symphony of light. Their glow is a form of bioluminescence, a chemical reaction within their bodies that produces light without heat. Each species of firefly has a unique flash pattern, a code by which males and females recognize each other. These patterns are like secret signals, ensuring that they find the right mate among the myriad of lights. The male firefly takes to the air, his abdomen flashing his species-specific pattern. He flies in a rhythmic dance, hoping to catch the attention of a potential mate. The females perched on leaves or branches watch and wait. They are discerning, carefully observing the flashes that light up the night. If a female recognizes the flash pattern of her own species, she responds with a flash of her own, signaling her interest and beginning a delicate dance of light. This exchange continues, a beautiful and intricate communication that ensures the continuation of their species. The night becomes a stage for this enchanting performance, a testament to the wonders of nature. Chapter 8. The Anglerfish's Symbiotic Mating. We descend now into the depths of the ocean to a world of perpetual darkness and crushing pressure. The deep sea is a realm where sunlight never penetrates, and the environment is as hostile as it is mysterious. Here, in this alien environment, we find the anglerfish, a creature as strange as its surroundings. With its grotesque appearance and unique adaptations, the anglerfish is a marvel of deep-sea evolution. The female anglerfish, with her gaping maw and bioluminescent lure, is a fearsome predator. Her lure, which dangles in front of her mouth, glows in the dark waters, attracting unsuspecting prey. But her mate, the male anglerfish, is a fraction of her size. Unlike the female, the male is small and seemingly insignificant, a stark contrast to her formidable presence. In fact, he is little more than a tiny parasite. The male anglerfish's primary role is not to hunt or fend for himself, but to find a female and ensure the continuation of their species. Upon finding a female, the male anglerfish latches onto her body, his tissues fusing with hers. This fusion is not just physical but also physiological, as their circulatory systems merge. He becomes permanently attached, his body providing her with a constant supply of sperm. This ensures that whenever the female is ready to spawn, she has a mate readily available. This unusual, some might say disturbing relationship ensures the survival of their species in the unforgiving depths. In the harsh environment of the deep sea, such extreme adaptations are necessary for survival, showcasing the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Chapter 9. The Hippo's Mudbath Mating. Back on land, we find ourselves on the banks of an African river, home to one of the largest land mammals, the hippopotamus. These massive creatures, despite their bulk, engage in a surprisingly energetic courtship ritual. The male hippo, eager to attract a mate and establish his dominance, will often challenge other males in displays of strength and aggression. These confrontations can involve roaring, splashing, and even wallowing in mud. The mud, you see, is not just about cooling off. It's also a way for the hippos to mark their territory and impress potential mates. Chapter 10. The Skewered Fish's Fencing. Our final journey takes us to the freshwater streams of Central America, home to a fish with a rather sharp fashion sense. These waters are teeming with life, and among the many species one stands out for its unique and captivating behavior. The male swordtail fish, named for the elongated sword-like extension of their tail fin, engage in a rather unique form of courtship. This tail fin, which can grow to impressive lengths, is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in their mating rituals. They use their swords to fence, not with sharp blades, but with rapid movements and displays of agility. These movements are a combination of speed, precision, and grace, creating a mesmerizing underwater ballet. These duels, while appearing aggressive, are mostly for show. The males are not trying to harm each other, but rather to impress the watching females with their prowess and stamina. The males size each other up, their movements signaling their strength and fitness. Each flick of the tail, each dart through the water, is a message to both rivals and potential mates. The female swordtails, watching from the sidelines, will choose their mates based on these displays of swordsmanship. They are looking for the strongest, most agile males, those who can best protect and provide for their future offspring. This intricate dance of nature ensures that only the fittest genes are passed on to the next generation, maintaining the health and vitality of the species. Outro. That's all, folks. From the shimmering feathers of the peacock to the bioluminescent glow of the firefly, we've witnessed an incredible array of courtship rituals. The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze with its diversity and ingenuity. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the most bizarre animal mating rituals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. See you next time.